Okay, here I take my Glidden Premium Base Paint and even it out. Now I'm pouring out a mixture that I had poured all in one cup, and it was titanium with Vallejo Pearl, Nickel Azo Gold, Prussian Blue, Lemon Yellow, and just kind of going in circles there. Okay, and then we torch it and then tilt it from side to side, and I have a lot of paint on there that I have to get off. I mean, way too much paint. Anyway, I really like the middle part and the interest with that green and those dark colors there, but I'm afraid I'm gonna lose that. I don't quite know where I'm going with this. Now that's looking really interesting. The lines and the grassy area, but I really don't like that whole white part with the yellow and the orange. And you know what? I'm just gonna scrape it off. So now I've decided that I'm gonna do a couple of blooms and see what happens with that. There's the Prussian blue and the white, the Nickel gold, a little silver, some more white, and some black cell activator. And just spin that out ever so lightly. The more I let this develop, it looks like under the sea with the seaweed, the sea anemones, the starfish, all the little creatures. Anyway, that's it for today. I thank you all for being here, and I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.